This you already know. This is nothing new. It's not even about where's it blue. But under circles, let's just do a quick little review. The little subheading under this is circumference. Circumference. Which means this. Circumference is this distance around the circle. That is its circumference. And to do the circumference, it's always good to know, well, you either need to know the radius, which is halfway through, or you need to know the diameter, which is all the way through. But here's kind of the gist of what today's little lesson is. The circumference of a circle, the formula for the circumference of a circle is, do you remember? Some dude, and I'm not 100% sure how they came up with this, but they did. Some dude decided if you took any circle, measured its diameter, and divided the two out, you always got a certain number. And that certain number is pi. You know, basically, the basic gist is this. If I took that garbage can, measured around the outside of it, measured its diameter, divided the two, I always get something a little over 3. Pi is very close to, by the way, we use little squiggle signs because it's not exact. We round pi off to 3.14. Okay? But we can also say that pi is 22 over 7. In fact, if I did that math and divided 22 by 7, let's see what I get. 22 divided by 7 is 3.14285. 3.14285 instead of 3.4159, I think is what it turns out to be mathematically. So the formula for circumference equals pi times diameter. Or C equals pi d. This is the formula we use. Now, 7th graders, the book emphasizes this one little point. There are times when you should use this for pi, and there are times when you should use that for pi. Sometimes the book will tell you which one it wants you to use. Other times it'll say which one is the best one to use. Now, generally speaking, we like to go with 3.14 because most people are not real fond of fractions. But the times it's best to use this, ladies and gentlemen, you want to use this when the diameter is a multiple of 7. You want to use the fraction. Anybody know why? Just shout it out. Brady, you must know. You know Bob Seeger, the Silver Bullet Man. And the reason for that is this. Okay, let's say I've got a circle. Let's say I've got a circle. I don't want to do it over here. And its diameter is 21. The reason it's good to use the fraction there, and I want to find the circumference, the reason it's good to do that is this. If I use my formula, like I'm sure you will because you're all eager to please the teacher, circumference equals pi times diameter. If I use 22 over 7 and I multiply that by 21 over 1, I make it a fraction, what happens? Riv? The 7, rather than... Great. The 7 can cross cancel with the 21. Remember doing cross cancel last year?
Yeah.
Okay, 7 goes into 21 3 times, and your answer is going to be 3 times 22, which is 66, whatever this was, inches. Okay, and that'll happen anytime the diameter is a multiple of 7. You're going to get something that 7 goes into up here, and the fraction is really easy to use. Otherwise, you have to use 21 times pi, which is, we use the decimal 3.14, so then you got to do all this messy multiplication. 3.14 times 21 is what? 3140826 4946, and you end up with 64.94. This one's probably a little bit more accurate, but this is probably close enough. So do you got that? I mean, if I gave you these circles here and I said the radius was 8, the diameter was 14, the diameter was 12, the diameter is 35. Which ones do I want to use the decimal for to find circumference, and which ones do I want to use the fraction for? Danny?
Oh, the 14 and 5 were just fraction form, and 8 and 12 were just
Right. Boom, you want to use these two because, again, watch how easy this is. Circumference equals pi is 22 over 7 times 14, which is 14 over 1. 7 goes into 14 twice. Your answer is 44. Same thing here. Circumference equals 22 over 7, which is times 35 over 1. 7 crosses out with that 5, you get 110 for circumference. Over here, you can't, the fraction's not going to do you any good, you're going to get a messy thing, so you would use circumference equals 3.14 times 12. And this one you would do circumference equals 3.14 times 8, just because it's probably easier than the fraction, you'd get a cleaner answer. Does that seem blindly obvious to anybody? Let's find one from the book just for fun. Yeah, turn to page 280. Or 260, sorry. Sorry. One thing to get used to doing, and the book does this a lot, if you look at page 260, example letter K. Are you with me? Example letter K. Follow along, read it yourself as I read it obnoxiously aloud. A bicycle tire with a diameter of 30 inches rolls about how many inches in one turn? Now people sometimes get confused on that, but let's sketch that out. Here's my bicycle tire. If in fact you want to put some spokes on that, it don't make no, never mind. Blah, 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 blah. What are they asking you when they ask you how far something rolls in one turn? What are they asking you for when something rolls in one turn? It is, Sam, it's circumference. What's it say about this tire? It's what, 20 inches?
30.
30-inch tire. So, how much it rolls is its circumference. In this case, the book, does it tell me I want 3.14? Does it say 22 over 7? It doesn't say, but since it's not a multiple of 7, I'm going to use circumference equals pi times diameter. Circumference equals 3.14 times 30. It's a pretty easy multiplication problem. Most of you would do this in your head. It rolls about 94.2 inches every time it goes around a circle. Which is how many feet? Close to how many feet? 12. 8 feet is how many inches? 96. So your bicycle tire will travel about 8 feet in one revolution. Speaking of whatever happened to the dance revolution?